What's up everyone, Vincenzo here. Welcome to day 4 of the At My Own Strumming Pattern Challenge. By now, I'm sure you're starting to feel confident when it comes to finding your own strumming patterns. And today, you're gonna challenge yourself with a song that it's not that difficult, but that requires a little bit of extra attention if you wanna play it at a more advanced level. The song is It's My Life by Bon Jovi, and you're gonna work on the chorus of this rock anthem. Okay, let's get straight to it. First of all, in the chorus, you have a very solid drum beat that you can use to create your own strumming pattern. Instead, if you decide to follow the melody to work out your own strumming pattern, you will see that it's not that easy because there are some long notes that don't really help you. But anyway, just working on the drum beat will be already enough to complete the challenge. But you know me, I want to take things to the next level. So what can you do to make your strumming pattern more interesting? Well, you can focus on the most important parts of the chorus. In my opinion, they are the vocals and the guitar. Well, shall I say guitars because actually there's more than one. If you remember before, I did say that the melody is not really ideal to help you find a strumming pattern. However, there are some really important parts in the melody that can really help you take your strumming pattern to the next level. I'm talking about some words that really have an important role in the arrangement of the song. You see, these words in red are the parts where you can actually follow the rhythm of the melody, regardless of what strumming pattern you're playing. So, for example, I have a strumming pattern that goes like this: 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down. Very simple. But when I get to Live Forever, I'm gonna change it because I'm gonna follow the rhythm of the melody, which is this: 3, 4, live forever. Very simple. Now, let me show it to you a little bit better. 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down, A flat, E flat, and now live forever. So, of course, this was just a simple thing that I wanted to play to demonstrate what I said before. But you can already see that the strumming pattern becomes less repetitive and also cooler. But it might be a little bit trickier to remember. And so, this is something that it's worth putting into account. The last It's My Life is really a key moment of the song, a little bit like the bridge of Other Side during lesson 1. But before I explain this, let me show you the chords. So they are C minor, A flat, E flat, and B flat. This is the chord progression, which goes like this: 3, 4, C minor, 2, 3, 4, A flat, 2, 3, 4, E flat, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4. You repeat this 4 times and then you end the chorus with an extra C minor. By the way, if you're not familiar with these chords, you can use a capo on fret number 3, and then the chords will become A minor, F, C, and G. Also, in case you don't have a capo, you can still use A minor, F, C, and G, and the song will still work. It's just that it will be in another tonality, but like I said, it doesn't really matter. Having said that, let's get back to the last It's My Life. So here, the guitar and the voice are following the same rhythm. Now remember, they are the two most important instruments of the chorus. And so if they are playing the same rhythm, that really is telling you that you should follow this rhythm too. So here you will be playing B flat and C minor. However, if you want to play something closer to the original recording, use B flat 5, B5, and C minor. One more time: 3, 4. One more thing that I want to say: in the chorus, the bass is playing a typical rock part. Basically, it's playing 8 notes throughout the entire chorus. And that means 2 notes per beat, by the way. So you could use this rhythm to create your own strumming pattern. But if you do that, make sure to add accents so that the strumming pattern is a little bit more interesting. Adding an accent means that you're gonna make one note louder than the others. A little bit like highlighting a word. So let's say I have a very simple strumming pattern. 3, 4, down, 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 down. Now I'm gonna add an accent on beat 1 and therefore on the first downstroke. So let's see. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Very, very simple. And by the way, adding an accent is one of the things that you can use to take your playing to the next level. So, your assignment for today is to work out a strumming pattern for the chorus of It's My Life. Try to follow what the other instruments are playing as much as you can, and also try to highlight the last It's My Life. To download all the material that you need for the challenge, simply click on my link in bio. Remember to tag me in your stories or posts so that I can see your assignments. And don't forget to use the hashtag @myOwnStrummingPattern. I will reshare your work in my stories and I will give you some feedback. Having said that, I'm looking forward to your assignments and I will see you soon with the last lesson of this challenge. Take care. Ciao.